watching her favorite movie. What is it, Kaylin? Tangled. Kaylin can sing just like Rapunzel.
That's why Mother never let me. That's why I never left.
Can you sing for us like she does, Kaylin? That's so beautiful, Kaylin. Thank you. Yes, did everyone see her hair? It's actually glowing now.